I went in, I did not know anyone, I didn't have any previous friends, and when I went into the program, I didn't have any trouble making friends. Everyone was very friendly, and everyone is here with the same goal as you, or around the same goal, which is to find out what business really is. You should try this program out because it will literally give you that experience of being in college and studying business, but not only studying business, also how that will become a career.
It's not as nerve-wracking as people may seem. There's great people here. It's very easy to network and socialize, and especially with the mentors.
So just going to and from UW or just walking around the campus, I think really made me feel like I was growing in like independence and confidence.
This is a summer program. There's time to have fun. And something I really liked that we got to do was actually go down to the UW game room, and they had bowling there, they had different games, they had esports there, and I just thought that was really awesome. If you are interested in UW Foster, but you're nervous about it, still definitely give it a shot. You'll see yourself growing as you come to the campus. The staff is really inviting and helpful for you if you're feeling nervous. I was very nervous on my first day, and really quickly just meeting the staff, but also meeting the other kids doing it, I felt like I was somewhere where I belonged.
I would say that everyone gets nervous at some point. Nervousness is definitely natural. It's fine to be nervous. But I think the best things came to me when I stepped out of my comfort zone, joined the program, tried new things. I think that was the best part.